We have a Frigidaire Affinity Dryer, model AEQ6000E52, that is about 2.5 years old. Recently it has only been running for about 15 minutes and then stopping. We have tried to change cycles with no change in the time it will run and then shut off at approximately 15 minutes of run time. What is wrong? Where can I get the parts to repair the problem, and please advise how and where to install the repairs? Diagrams or pictures would be appreciated.
Hi, my name isXXXXX will be assisting you with this problem. Please allow me some time to do research and type a response to each of your posts. Does the dryer heat?
Yes, the dryer will heat for the 15 minutes that it runs, but then it and the heating shut down. We have checked the venting and there are no obstructions. Other than that, I don't know what else to do.
Does it shut down in both time dry and auto sense dry?
There is not an auto sense dry selection option, but it shuts down on all heating cycles. It will run continually on air fluff with no heat, but where heat is required it shuts down in 10 to 15 minutes with a light flashing in the display panel where it states dry cool down.
Okay, sounds to me like there is a blockage somewhere. Pull the unit out from the wall, disconnect the vent in the rear, then run a heat cycle. If the machine works as it should, this means there is a blockage in the vent that runs from the rear of the machine to outside the house. If the machine does the same thing with the vent disconnected, this will mean there is a blockage inside the machine, normally near the blower housing below the lint filter. Once the blockage is located, it should be cleared out. This will stop the thermostat overheating. Please feel free to come back after rating me OK service or above, or for any additional questions or assistance that may be needed. Please also remember that if this repair is beyond your ability, I have still done my job in answering where the problem is and how to fix it. Please be fair and rate me OK service or above so that I might gain credit for my time and effort. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.